He looked at himself in the mirror. Silver in his hair, lying near his eyes. Silence in the room, and for the first time, he did not wish to be younger because now he understood his power. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to Cuteman 0.2 with my brand new video. Guys, today Cuteman 0.2 episode 634. Guys, today find it was most handsome, gorgeous, oh my gosh, lovable, sugar mature older daddies. So don't skip this video, watch till the end, and must be mentioned in the comment section which is your favorite today dad, which old dad, older dad. And if you like today handsome, sugar mature older daddies, then do it, subscribe, Cuteman 0.2, hit the bell button when I upload new video to get notification. Wow. If you believe maturity is attractive, if you respect emotional strength, if you admire older daddy, to move with clan dominance, subscribe now. Tonight is not about numbers, it's about evolution. Oh my gosh, these silver mature daddies come from different corners of the world. Wow. From a quiet penthouse in London to sea-facing Hilla in Greece, to the business districts of Dubai, to an art-filled apartment in Paris, to warm balcony view in Los Angeles. Oh my gosh. Different countries, different cultures, but something connects them. They have been survived life. Divorce, business failures, heartbreak, loneliness, oh no. And that survival carved something into them. Depth. He is in his early 50s, once insecure about his gray hair. Now he wears it like a crown. He walks slower than he did at 30, and every step is attention. At 30, he chased attention. At 55, attention follows him. OMG. Another silver daddy sits quietly in cafe in Rome. Broad shoulders under a navy blazer, he listens more than he speaks. And when he finally speaks, everyone leans in. That's maturity, not loud, not displayed, just control. In relationship, these older daddies don't play games. Some are in age gap love stories where admiration meets wisdom. Some are in powerful long-term gay couples built on loyalty. Some prefer companionship without drama. Yeah. But one thing is clear. They don't seek to be choose. They choose. Their show lifestyle is different now. It's not about showing wealth. It's about peace. Private dinners, slow music, deep conversation at midnight, travel that feels meaningful, not flashy. They don't need cause anymore. They need connection. Fitness at this age is not about proving strength, it's about maintaining dignity. Morning walk near the ocean in Sydney, light strength training in Toronto, healthy routine in Istanbul, meditation in Bali. Yet beauty is not perfect, it's powerful. Silver hair reflecting city lights, strong hands holding wine glasses, wrinkles that tell stories instead of hiding them. And here, the suspense. The most attractive thing about them is not their money, it is not their body, it's their clan. Because clan men are dangerous. Oh. They have been seen enough to near panic, lost enough to never fear, built enough to never beg. And that makes them unforgettable. Episode 634 remind us youth is loud, maturity is magnetic. If you enjoy this cinematic journey into silver maturity, global older daddies, emotional depth, relationship energies, fitness after 50, and sugar lifestyle evolution, subscribe to Cuteman 0.2. So guys, today I will give the top 30 gorgeous, attractive, lovable, sugar mature older daddies, some sugar couples, some AI daddies, some hairy daddies, mature older, some have a mustache, some have a PJ. And I will show beauty, show fitness, show lifestyle, show bridges, show professions, give out review and reaction. I hope you love it. Because here we don't chase youth, we celebrate power that comes with time. Tell me in the comment section. Is it the new standard of attraction? Subscribe now. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.